have a favorite dip from your state? Well, I chose 4 of the wildest ones I've heard of, and here they are. Okay, all right, so here is the website. Here's the article that I found this on. Food Network, Layla Corey Hinault, 50 states of dips. It's a very weird dip. Alaska smoked salmon dip. We have Arizona salsa. I mean, that's an easy one. Does Arizona really claim salsa? Is that okay? Idaho blueberry ketchup. So this is one I really want to do because I'm like, what the F is blueberry ketchup? So I've been doing a little bit of research into blueberry ketchup. It's kind of like an aioli. It's not like blueberries made into ketchup, like sweet. It's more just like a blueberries mixed with mayo, from what I read on reviews, because you can't find any of these recipes anywhere, so I have to figure these out. Okay, and then we have a Delaware dip, a crab, spinach, and artichoke dip. That sounds good. I know the basis of how to make a spinach and artichoke dip and just like adding crab. Old Bay, it says in here, some lemon juice, makes sense, serve it with pita. Sounds delish. We're off to North Dakota. Apparently a very popular dip from Bismarck, bacon gravy dip, from a restaurant called Peacock Alley. Now this scares me. It sounds intriguing. It's served with potato chips. We could make it sexy and taste really good. Okay, now this one is shocking to me because I am from Illinois. Giardinara hummus sounds like nothing I've ever made in my life or heard or seen on any menu. So this sounds pretty self-explanatory and it also sounds good. So we're gonna make a hummus, blend in some of the oils from the giardiniera, and then top it with giardiniera, and I think I'm gonna add some feta into it. I'm gonna try and recreate all of these dips to make them taste really good. We're gonna taste test them and see where we're at. Let's go. Okay, in order to get like a more original recipe, I'm gonna try and call the restaurants and see if they're gonna like give us the recipe. Okay, first up we have Peacock Alley in North Dakota. We're gonna call them. Hi, I have a question for you about the bacon gravy dip. Do you guys still serve that? I was wondering if like you had like a recipe or even knew what the ingredients were. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. He has no idea. Okay, well they had no idea, so I'm gonna try and figure this out myself. All right, next up, Boise Fry Company. This one still has the dip, I know. People are talking about it constantly. Will they tell me? Hello, Idaho? It's Washington. Hi, I have a question for you. I was reading an article about your blueberry ketchup, and I was wondering if there was a way I could like get the recipe for that, or if you know what the ingredients are inside of it. Okay, that makes sense. Thanks, man. I'll call back in 30 minutes. All right, bye. Talk to the boss. Okay, we're calling Buckley's Tavern in Delaware. Here we go. I'm so worldly. I'm on hold. Hi, I have a question about your crab, spinach, and artichoke dip. So I read in an article how that's like one of the famous dips of Delaware, and I was wondering if you would be willing or someone would be willing to share like what's in that dip. I'm trying to recreate it at home. Ah, that would be so amazing. Such a sweetheart. She's gonna give me the chef. She was like, oh my gosh, let me ask the chef, he's here. Hey, I was just talking to someone about the crab, spinach, and artichoke dip. I wanted to recreate it at home and was wondering if you were willing to share like the ingredients, maybe not even the recipe. Thank you so much, that's so sweet of you.
Hold on a second, while we make it, it's a pretty large batch, so.
Oh, I bet, okay.
Ingredients, then you can work backwards.
Yeah, I will work backwards.
Cream cheese is 6 pounds.
So unprecedented to share recipes, and it's so sweet for you to do that, so I really, really appreciate it. Have a great day. Bye. We got a recipe! Chigwalik. First up, we have a crab, spinach, and artichoke dip. This is from Wilmington, Delaware. The chef actually gave me the recipe, which I just love so much. Fresh crab mounted in with cream with a delicious spinach and artichoke dip base with lemon and Old Bay and lots of garlic and cream cheese that we're gonna serve with crostino. Next up, we have my home state, Illinois. This is Giardinara hummus, a classic hummus mixed in with some giardiniera, lots of lemon, top it with more giardiniera and feta cheese. I'm stoked to taste this one. Next up, we have a North Dakota favorite from Bismarck, North Dakota. This is bacon gravy dip. Sounds wild. They took it off the menu. Why? I don't know. Did they give me the recipe? No, they did not. Can't wait to get into this with some potato chips. Next up, we have the dip from Boise, Idaho, famous from Boise Fry Company. This is blueberry ketchup. It's more like a blueberry mayo. This might be a divisive one, but we have it with some delicious crunchy French fries. So excited to get into that one too. Ooh, Delaware. I taste crab. It's good. It tastes like crab dip. Yep. I don't got much to say about it. If you like crab, you'll dig this. Next. Okay, the one I'm excited about, Illinois giardiniera hummus with feta. Hummus should be made no other way than with giardiniera. Salty, lemony, pickly. Oh my God, this is a contender. Oh, this is so good. Bacon gravy, North Dakota. Here we go, my version. It looks good. It smells bacony. It's really creamy. Chopped up bacon nice and small so you get a piece of bacon in every bite. It's so freaking good. Oh my God, this is really good. Biscuits, who needs them? Okay, the divisive one, y'all. Blueberry ketchup. More like blueberry mayo. Blueberry preserves mixed with mayonnaise. Does it work? It's sweet. Do I like it? I don't know. Is it better than the crab dip? The fries are. Try these at home. Let me know what your favorite one is. I think there's a very clear winner for me. But you let me know what you like. And maybe if we should do the other 4 states. 4 states? 46 states. I'm game. I'm game.
All right. So crabby. Good, but also too much crab. Double dipping. Next. I can't eat this. I don't eat bacon. It's sweet, like ketchup. Kind of like Thousand Island. That's it.